15 minus 2 times 15 minus 2. 15 minus 2 gives us 13. 15 minus 2 gives us 13. 13 times 13, we will get 169. It is our answer. But is it okay? No, it is not correct. If it is not correct, then what will be the correct solution for this question? We have to obey Pemdas rule. Pemdas is the order of operation: parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. If we follow this order, we will be able to get this question correctly. First of all, parenthesis, no. Exponent, no. Multiplication, yes. Here you are looking multiplication between 2 and 15. 15 as it is, minus this will give us 30, and here it is minus 2, which will be as it is. 15 minus 30 minus 15, it is minus 2. We will get minus 17. Thank you.